I mean, it's not video. This is just video. Like, I don't know what it's saying. I don't know. And I was reading that text me one in the morning. Oh, so you know what? I can hear people. Well, what do you have to start using like that? I feel like I use kind of it. You know, like, it's like, it's my life. So, then it's like, really, half to like, I don't know. I don't know what you mean. I'm deep because I mean, I need to like clean my room to like so that you feel a lot what you do. And like when you do that, like it's crappy what I really yeah, it's so really but I was my bed because like I couldn't touch it but I was like and that's really scary. Caveat also actually said the next week and then onto my mattress protector and if it went through that and all the mattress wrong. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to stop. I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to turn it up. What? I'm going to I'm going to turn it up. I didn't realize my phone on here. I'm kind of scared about it. People kind of one of the first times I kind of about that I found out that I can when you know who you are. I'll do a you in the next video.